Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons we see out here on the road. Now there's none more moronic than the driver who's got the visual capabilities of a fly which just been swallowed by a frog, doesn't see the car in front stop, and the car in front ends up getting smashed harder in the rear than Boy George. Got this clip from Paul looking out of his rear window looking at this idiot in the murk, and he's looking very impatient. He wants to overtake. Why does he want to overtake? Well, he wants to overtake because the traffic lights have gone red and he feels fully entitled to go through them red lights. Give him a break though, this poor guy's suffering from an inferiority complex. Fully justified, I might add. Got this clip from Emerald 68, and as you can see we're behind this car here waiting to pull out, but just like this driver's brain only works in reverse, he selected reverse and just backed straight into the front of the car. That driver's brain's about as useful as a rubber golf club. Yeah, what a pity his dad got the hole-in-one with his mum all them years ago. Got this clip from Yarrick, and he's approaching this junction, and the Uber idiot whose brain stores less information than a USB stick just pulls straight out in front of him. What a pilchard. Got this clip from Sadik Khan. We're following this cyclist round Trafalgar Square, and then from the right comes the Burke in the murk, nearly takes him out. Don't know why he's in such a rush. The only place he'll ever get invited is either outside or to leave. Got this next clip from EHTA or ETA. Hope I got your name right there, mate. Anyway, we're approaching this junction. Now keep your eye on this car directly in front. Now you know when you pull out of a junction or a roundabout, you give way to traffic from the right, don't you? Do unless you're this retard. This idiot here, when he drives, everyone claps. Yeah, claps their hands over their eyes. Got this clip from Dyfus Dashcam on YouTube, and he's driving a 38-ton truck. Now, you normally want to be careful when they're coming towards you, but somebody somewhere's left a padded cell open, and this retard just pulls out in front of him. That's a real jamless jam donut right there, isn't it? Got this clip from John, and you'll find him on @John_battles on X. And what you got here is a Toyota Prius just sitting in the outside lane of the motorway, as you do. Now to this day, this poor idiot is still confused why his mum would always get him to play hide and seek with the bin men when they was coming to take the rubbish away. And she would always give him a black bin bag and say, go and hide in that and crouch down next to the bins. They'll never find you there, love. Then 30 seconds up the same stretch of motorway, we're treated to another display of outstanding driving ability as the Uber idiot in the black Merc comes from the joining slip road to the outside lane in one foul swoop. The day that idiot was born, they broke the mould. The same day the mould maker got the sack. Got this clip from Hold On 225, and we're following this white Mazda MX-5 as he sails straight through that red traffic light there and sails straight in front of the car what come from the left. Driver of that white Mazda really needs to do some soul searching and look within. Maybe one day he'll find himself. Yeah, when he does, he really won't like what he's found, that's for sure. Got this clip from Nick, and he's behind this real education avoider as he just goes straight through the red light. The only thing that idiot knows about education is it's just another word that he can't spell. Got this clip from Reggie, and we're behind an Uber idiot in a Toyota Prius. As you can see from the signs, all traffic must go left. All traffic apart from this retard. The retard who's known locally as Maple Syrup. Yeah, they call him that because he's a real sap. Got this clip from Mary T, and we're looking at another Uber retard in a Toyota Prius here, in his comfort zone, in a one-way street, facing the wrong way. And now he's having to back up out of it. But don't worry, this ain't his first rodeo. He's done this many times before. Remember that song? We started from the bottom, now we're here. Well, this one is, I started from the bottom and it's been downhill ever since. I like the gift that keeps on giving, and they idiots. Got this clip from Jack, and there's 4 Uber retards in this clip. There's the first one in the Prius, as usual, going straight through the red light, and the other 3 are going to follow him. Now, what's happened? They've just left the college. They've all started today doing a self-improvement course, and the teacher said to them, just be yourselves. Well, it ain't worked out well for them, has it? This clip from Roberto. Keep your eye on the white car because the driver's got a brain as useful as a cardboard sink plunger as he just hits him in the side. That driver's got more issues than the National Geographic magazine. So here I am behind a big red bus. Traffic lights turn amber and then red, but the bus driver just sails straight through. Well, the bus driver is like a captain of his own ship, isn't he? In fact, all his passengers call him Rough Sea because when they're all on board, he makes them feel sick. Got this clip, but the person didn't give me their name, probably because they're driving along using their phone to film as they're driving, which is wrong as we know. But it's also wrong for an Uber idiot in a Toyota Prius to be going in the cycle lane in Hyde Park. And now he's got to go across to get out. If brains was toilet tissue, this retard wouldn't have enough to wipe a cockroach's arse. Oh dear. Anyway, got this clip from Michael W, and he's driving down through this quintessentially English village. And in front of us, we got the quintessentially English village idiot who thinks it's alright to stop in the middle of the road while their friend goes into the bookshop and asks if they got the book How to Use 4% of My Brain. That idiot driver is the real brown stain on the white underpants of life, isn't he? Got this clip from Tam, and as you can see, this car's just coming out the car park there, just making their way round to the exit. But just like Miley Cyrus, they came in like a wrecking ball and just destroyed everything in sight. This clip from Rachel K approaching the T-junction, but this massive turd who's got the intelligence of a bird's eye fish finger just cuts across and nearly hits her motor. He's such a massive turd, cats try and bury him. Right, this next clip, very sad to watch if you're a beer drinker. Shopping trolley, full box of beer, beer goes down, smashed all over the place. Oh my goodness. Guys, can I ask you a little favour? If you like what you've seen, I'll put a smile on your face. Do me a little favour. Please hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help. Thanks, guys. Let's have a look at some idiots on some bikes. Okay, so first out the gate, we've got this two-wheel, two-brain cell idiot filming himself, going for his personal best. He's about to knock a second off his best ever time, but a car's pulled out. That's going to throw a spanner in the works. He can taste success, but he can't stop. Headbutts the back of the glass, and the only thing he tastes now is bits of glass in his mouth and a massive slice of humble pie. Okay, so here I am on Kings Road, Chelsea, just stopping at this zebra crossing to let this mother who's carrying this child go across. That means nothing to the retard with collar-sized IQ who can still only tell the time with a digital clock. Goes sailing through, blissfully unaware that there's people on the crossing, probably blissfully unaware what his own name is. Here I am again on Oxford Street, just by Oxford Circus. Got Regent Street just directly to the left there, going through my green light. But I can't go because there's an idiot with the intelligence of a big ballpoint pen just come sailing through. Expecting that retard to act intelligently is like expecting an octopus to tie a pair of shoelaces up. Got this clip from Amos, and he's going around this roundabout behind this bike there. The bike's left at this exit. He's leaving at the same time. What happened there? We need a steward's inquiry. Okay, so the first thing we notice is he's got L plates on. Second, look at how wide he's took that. I think he's overcooked it into that turn in there. Sees the car coming from the other way. Front wheel starts to wash out. He starts to lose control, and at this moment in time, his ring piece is clenching tighter. And Katie Price clinches onto any man that's got a pulse. Touches down on terra firma. Touches cloth in his pants. Well done to that driver for avoiding that very lucky rider, I've got to say. Got this clip from Paul, and he's sitting at this green light here because of traffic. Obviously means the other traffic light is red, but that means nothing to the moron on the line bike whose brain's as useful as a rubber beak on a woodpecker. Got this next clip from Michael Snasdell, and you'll find him on @MichaelSnasdell on X. Now, as you can see, Michael's sitting at the red light, but the next retard you're about to see, he's got less electrical activity in his brain than a glass of water as he just sails straight through that red light, and then he has to stop because there's cars coming through their green light from the left. But hang on though, there's a bit of a twist in the tale, you might have missed it. Yeah, he's done that with a little kid on the back. If that idiot ever goes to a cycling safety meeting, he'll be as welcome as a rattlesnake at a square dance. What an entitled, dangerous moron. Got this clip from Big Rod, and nothing really says I'm a massive bellend, a retard, and school wasn't really my thing, like riding your bike in the outside lane in the dual carriageway at night with no lights and in dark clothing. That retard's got a talent for road safety, like Van Gogh's got an ear for music. Got this clip from Lee, and you find him at Pimlico111 on X. All of a sudden, he's overtaken by a moron who's got the intelligence of a hemorrhoid suppository. Speeding past nearly takes out that pedestrian there. That retard's definitely never used a word that sent a reader to a dictionary, I know. Speaking of dictionaries, got a couple of real non-readers in this clip from Paul. There's the first one where the Ivers, his mate's following him. The truck's reversing, so what would you do? You'd drive directly behind it, that's exactly what you do. And there goes the other retard there. The pair of them have got the hazard awareness of a drunk about to urinate on the live rail at the train station while he's waiting for his train home. Pair of first-class melts. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thanks so much for watching to the very end. If you like what you're seeing, I put a smile on your face, made you laugh, please hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help me and it helps the channel grow. Thanks to everyone who sent in video clips, really appreciate you guys. And thanks to everyone who leaves comments on the videos. I can't answer them all, but I do answer as many as I can. What we're looking at here is a lovely old 280 SL Mercedes, white, red leather interior, absolutely stunning. Well, that's it. Have a good weekend. And remember, if you're waiting at the train station, don't go urinating on the live rail. It won't work out well. See you all in the next one. Bye.